guys, and welcome to Truffle Bakes, and today I am going to show you guys how to make white chocolate brownies. But because it is the holy month of Ramadan, we have incorporated, or I have incorporated, a little bit of a slight twist to it, and we are going to make white chocolate blondies with dates. Alright, so first of all we have 1 stick of butter, or also if you really want to go all technical, it is 100 gram of butter. Okay, from the 100 gram you have 200 grams of white chocolate chips. Now this is a very beautiful white chocolate because I also decided to go for something more like a Belgian chocolate, you know, beautiful flavor, everything in it. You just add all of that in there. Okay, yes, I live in a studio apartment and it is small, and who doesn't care? I don't care. Why? I need to make amends. What to do? So first of all, I am going to take this stick of butter and the chocolate, and I'm going to put it into the microwave in 30 seconds. Let's see, we are melting the butter now. Maybe you want to try to do it because you want that butter and that white chocolate to melt together. Okay. All right, let's put it another. The white chocolate, because it's in small bits, it actually melts very fast. And because of the butter, now the butter I've left at room temperature, so it just gives that beautiful, and it makes it much faster to melt. Look at that. Oh yeah. All right, okay, good. 3 more seconds, guys. 30 seconds. We'll give it another whirl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now that's sexy. Oh my god. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that sexy white chocolate. Sexy white chocolate. Oh my god. Alright, so we will be finishing this off. Is that you're gonna now have to start beating the eggs and the chocolate with one another. Okay. I really hope I did not miss a step. Alright, so other than the ingredients, we have here flour. Okay, 120 grams of flour. We have baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. You mix those two together. I'm going to take my very cheap whisk. Okay, and I'm going to pull closer the electrical wire because my whisk can only go this far, and yes, it wasn't a very smart idea. Now what we are going to do is we're going to add 2 eggs. 2 eggs, preferably at room temperature. I did not take them very long ago out of the fridge, so I think they're slightly still a little bit too cold. Heat it up with the palm of your hand. Alright, anyway, so we will be taking 1 egg and cracking that egg right into that chocolate. Okay, now you're going to start mixing. Too fast, Yanni. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the egg and the chocolate actually emulsifies with one another, not split. Okay? So you're going to have to give it a nice whirl, a nice twist, get all of that chocolate in there. Okay, that's the first egg. So you can see it's starting to look a lot like a custard. And then you're going to add 1 more egg. Oh yeah. 1 more egg into that mixture. Okay. Now we're going to slowly add a little bit by little the flour. Okay. Add in that flour. You want to get that nice thickness in there. But you don't want flour lumps. You want to make sure that you mix this flour really well. You get this batter into a beautiful thick consistency. Now what makes this a little bit different is that a white chocolate brownie or a blondie makes use of a powder, where with blondies you actually incorporate white chocolate into the batter and it's not added afterwards. Understand? There we go, that's the last bit of the mixture, and you can hear my mixer is getting tired because it feels like it's being overworked. Oh yeah. Oh, you see, this happens if you buy stuff online that is very cheap. Wooden spoon, because who doesn't like an old wooden spoon? So you can see the batter's consistency. It's this nice, thick, creamy, golden consistency that you're actually looking for. And all things that is like a brownie. Yummy! Sorry guys, you know. Lovely. Alright, now, next up, dates. So, the dates I have made here is about 200 grams of dates. Now you can really go if you really want to, or 200 grams, or make it 1 cup of dates. I bought some store-bought dates. I just chopped them all up into, as you can see here, chop them up into little bits of small chunks on this side, and you will just be adding them into your mixture. Okay, now it will just slowly go and fold that right in there. Right, so we're gonna be adding this date mixture. What's gonna go wrong? A lot of things can go wrong, and I can completely screw up my very first video that I am posting on YouTube. But hey, why not? I think all YouTube videos starts with a screw up, doesn't it? This it? Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Now that's a little bit better. I'm trying to bake something I don't know, but let's do something new. Cause what the hell are we fighting for? Alright, so let's just, I'm gonna give it a few taps to settle in there. Okay, so now you can see. There you go. Alright, so as you can see, it's nicely into the parchment paper, right in there. Settle in white chocolate on top, because what the hell, why not? Yes, some more chocolate chunks. Alright, that's about 50 grams. Alright guys, so let us take this. I'm gonna pop it into the oven, and it will now be baking for another 30 minutes. 30 minutes? 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, I'll keep an eye on it. Alright, and when it's done, we'll take it out, and then we need to rest it. Alright, so let's put it in the oven. Alright, hey! Right, so the timer just went off, and now let's take out the brownies. Let's make sure it's nice and clean. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Blondie. You see? Blondie. Right, so now the best thing to do is just to keep it at rest. Okay? Let's just stay here and rest until it completely cools down before we're going to cut it. Oh shit, I never recorded it. Alright, so I've cut up. Raina, you idiot. Alright. Right, took out the brownie. Took it out of the oven 20 minutes in. After it's been rested, it's nice and cool. So, exactly what I wanted. Here, from the center, show you guys. Oh my god, look at that. See that gooiness? Look at the dates in there. Beautiful, beautiful. And now it's still a little bit too hot, but hey, who doesn't like it nice and hot? Because you want that hot, if it's hot, you want it to really get sticky, because as soon as it cools down, it just gets absolutely incredible. So let's go. Chocolate brownie. For dates, Ramadan Karim, guys. Ramadan Karim. Okay, that's it. Oh yeah. It's not that sweet. I would thought it would actually be much sweeter. But it's got a very, it's almost like a hot butterscotch. You get that chocolate, you get that oiliness of it. and that dates just actually breaks through and actually give you more of a date style flavor profile. This is really good. Oh yeah. Okay, this is good. All right, here you go, guys. Here you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this, and remember, like and subscribe to see for more, as we are continuing to create incredible dishes, incredible bakes, and everything from truffle bakes. My name is Reno, I am your host, and see you next week. Bye!